Hello there, I got here the Vivo V27 Pro, a very beautiful device and very slim too. In this video, let's do the battery charging time test to see how long it takes to charge from 0% to 100%. The phone comes with a 4600 mAh battery and out of the box you get a 66 watts charger. Before we do the charging, let's see the surface temperature. It's around 25 degrees now. Let's begin the charging. In 5 minutes, it shows 20% battery on the phone. In 10 minutes, we have 33% battery in the phone. 15 minutes and 45% battery on my phone. And 20 minutes, we have crossed 50% and it is 55% mark. In 25 minutes, we have 65% on the phone. In half an hour, we have crossed the 75% battery juice on the phone. In 35 minutes, we have tanked 85% battery. In 40 minutes, it shows 93% battery. In 44 minutes, we have reached 98% battery, and from here it slows down a bit and takes a little more time, and in 47 minutes it is fully charged. So it just takes 47 minutes to fully charge this Vivo V27 Pro, which is pretty decent. The temperature is around 32 degrees now, which is fine. There is no notable heating issues while charging. So that's about the Vivo V27 Pro battery charging time test. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Have a great day. Cheers.